In this video, I'll be guiding you to download Adobe Illustrator on your PC or Mac. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type out Adobe Creative Cloud. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and make sure to find the official website for Adobe, and once you've done that, you want to click on the first link you see that says Adobe Creative Cloud. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So scroll down until you see Adobe Illustrator, and once you've located it, you want to go ahead and make sure to click on free trial. So as you can see, there are three options in which to choose from. You have individuals package, business package, as well as student and teachers package. So go ahead and click any one that works for you, but for this video I'm going to go ahead and click on individual packages. Now once you've done that, make sure that Adobe Illustrator is selected, and once you've done that, you want to go to the right side of the screen and simply click a subscription. Now as you can see, this subscription offers a 14-day free trial. So once you've selected one that works for you, scroll down and you can also see Adobe has a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock. So go ahead and tick this box, and then once you're happy with your subscription plan, you want to go ahead and click on continue. So all you want to do now is simply enter your email address, then click continue. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to get Adobe Illustrator. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.